Busy, 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 busy. It's always very busy in May in Latvia because all Latvians have to plan their lives around the schedule of hockey games. You know, you have to work in the morning and work in the night so that in the afternoon you watch a game and scream very loud so that our team, thousands of kilometers away, hears it and can probably win some medals. It's very important for them to win medals because if they win a medal, the government will make the next day a holiday. And we need a holiday, to relax after all the screaming and yelling, so that you can have a drink of a birch tree juice and which is non-alcoholic, and it's just relax and get back to your normal life. So if you want to know what Latvians look like when supporting their hockey team, look it up on the internet, and always remember that these are the same people that get mad at their kids for watching somebody else playing video games on YouTube. To the victory, and let's get back to work. It's very busy. See you later.